In this video, we will show you how you can place a knockout CFD trade on our trading platform. On the left-hand side of the platform, you will see a list of the different markets which you have access to. To trade knockouts, simply click on Knockouts and choose the asset class which you would like to trade. In this video, we will use the US 500 index as an example. Once you have selected the underlying market, click on the Add to Workspace button and it will appear in your workspace. If you are bullish on the underlying market and believe that prices will rise, you would buy a bull knockout. On the other hand, if you are bearish and believe that prices will fall, you would buy a bear knockout. Next, you will have to decide on a knockout level which cannot be amended once the position is open. This level works the same way as guaranteed stops. Your position will be closed once the market touches the knockout level, even if gapping or slippage occurs. Do note that there is a knockout premium included upfront in the open price as a fee to protect your trade from slippage. If your trade is not closed by the preset knockout level, this premium will be refunded to you. The price to open box indicates the point difference between your entry and the knockout level, including the knockout premium. The size field that is shown here would be your position size. The bigger your position size, the higher the value per point. In this example, we will be illustrating it with one contract, which is also equivalent to $1 per point. The stop and limit fields are your stop loss and take profit levels. Even with a knockout level in place, you may place an additional stop loss. This stop level acts as a normal stop loss to exit your trade should the market go against you, subject to slippage and market gaps. You can also set a take profit level to close your trades for profits, and that is indicated in this limit field. Should your trades be closed by either the stop or limit levels, the knockout premium will be refunded to you. The margin or deposit required to enter the trade is also displayed at the bottom of the trade ticket. Once you have checked and confirmed all fields, click on the Place Deal button. You may also close your knockout positions at any point of time after you enter the trade. Do take note that these positions have an expiry date in August every year. To find out the actual date of expiry, head over to the Info tab and refer to the expiry section. For more information about our platform, visit our website at ig.com/sgnow.